Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll try to explain what is value chain. So let's take the example of a car. And a car manufacturer, let's say Maruti Suzuki, the biggest four-wheeler manufacturer in India. Let's try to understand how does it create a car. So Maruti Suzuki will first have to buy the raw materials, the components of the engine, the seats, the tires. It has to buy everything, right? The first step. And everything has a cost, right? And these are the things that finally go into the car. So the first level of value is being created here. Guys, let me just take a different path here and tell you the final value of the car is the sum total of different efforts that has been made to create and to deliver that car to you, right? So this is value chain. We talked about the first step, which is purchasing different parts. The second step would be assembling the car, assembling all the units to finally create a car. Okay. The third step would be Maruti Suzuki will have to market the car. It will have to tell the consumers that I have created, or I have manufactured this car. It has these features and it will solve these issues. It is good at these fields. So it will have to market the car properly so that it could sell. If it doesn't market, the car won't sell. The next step would be it will have to transport the car to various showrooms across the country, right? And the final step would be availability of the service centers. For example, I'll give you an example. Suppose you have two identical cars, okay? One from Maruti Suzuki and another from another company. Both the cars are identical in every manner, okay? The only difference is, for Maruti Suzuki there are service centers all across the country, and for the other car the service centers are not there. Which one will you prefer? For which car will you pay more price? Of course, the one which has service centers across the country. So this is another step of value creation, the availability of service centers. So you saw that different steps kept adding value to the final price of the car, and at the end, the final value was what the customer was willing to pay for the car. Now, these are the direct factors. There could be several indirect factors as well. What could be they? So in order to manufacture a car, or say to design the engine, I need quality engineers and designers, right? Who will hire them? The HR team will hire them. The final consumer doesn't care how good the HR team is. It doesn't matter to him. But Maruti Suzuki cares, because if it has a better HR team, they'll hire the best people to do the job in the best possible cost, right? In the optimal cost. And that is indirectly adding value to the car in terms of better engine quality, better design, and everything, right? So this is another step. This is another dimension of value creation, the HR team. Similarly, infrastructure of the facility where the manufacturing facility where cars are being manufactured. There should be proper lighting. There should be basic amenities for the workers. Again, for the final consumer, this does not matter how good the manufacturing facilities, what are the amenities at the manufacturing facilities, is there any canteen, are the lights working, is the fan working. It doesn't matter to the consumer, but it matters to the employees who are working there, who are assembling the car, who are doing their work. And these are the amenities which, if present, they are preferred by the employees. Employees will want to work at a place where they get better amenities. Okay, So the infrastructure is another dimension which adds value to the car, though not directly but indirectly. Good. So there could be several other dimensions as well. I just covered two. So this was the entire value chain of the car. So to sum it up, value chain is the entire value of the car is attributed to different steps at the value chain, right? As we saw, manufacturing, assembling, HR, marketing, service centers. The final value of the car is the sum total of the value added at all these different steps. This is value chain. Thank you. If you have any questions, just put it down on the comment box. I'll definitely answer all of them. Thanks for watching. Bye.